What's up, guys? Here is some things that you must have when you go on your cruise. We'll start off here with my your camera, GoPro camera, um, and on here I do have a lens cover. Take that off right there, and you put it back on. It protects your camera lens on your GoPro. I have the 7, as you can see there. You want to have a dual battery charger, or if you can find the triple one, that would do the job as well. But this one is from GoPro itself, as you can see the GoPro logo right here. Then you want to have the head mount. That's all I have. I don't have the chest mount, but the chest mount will work as well. Now these little things right here go to your GoPro, and the 7, and they're suction things. You pull this little red thing off and it sticks, and I don't know if you can get it off once you put it on there. I've seen some people stick it on balconies of cruise ships and they hadn't been able to get them off, so there's that. I have this little mini tripod here. It opens up and it basically will lay flat and everything like that. I do have a secondary one, which is this one, which goes to my gimbal, which is now in this case right here. It's the Osmic Mobile 3, I think. But that's where this came. That's what this came with. So I just stick it in there. Now I do have a charger in here for the gimbal, which can also work with all this other stuff. This little thing is a thing that connects to your tripod, and it connects 2 different ways. It connects there and it connects there, and open it up like so and put your phone in. I have a couple of those. I want to say that came with this selfie stick right here, which I'm not going to pull out, and it's got another one of these in it, along with other mounts. I'm not sure what all's in it, but I think this right here also came with it, which is another phone holder thing, which also has, if you can see in the bag there, it's a thing for your GoPro, to where you can hook your GoPro to your selfie stick. Then you have this. This is a floating device for your GoPro. If you take it in water, you must have this so you don't drop your GoPro and it be gone forever. Then you want to make sure you have plenty of cables, which I have plenty of cables. There's one in the gimbal, there's this one, and I'm going to be bringing a whole lot more. And then next, with things that are going on in the world today with COVID, get you some of these. I have 4 of them here. So that should be plenty for our trip. And then this right here, you want to have, it goes that way. You want to have one of these. This will work with your cruise ship plugs, for the US plugs. You want to make sure you have 3 prongs. If you have this little round ground prong broke off, they will take it away from you. Just to let you know. But yeah, that's going. And then you want to have a memory card. Make sure you have your memory card for your camera, your GoPro, and have enough storage. And you want to have a device, say like a tablet or something to put all your storage on, so you can pull it off your memory card and put it somewhere else. That way that's protected. And then say Amanda, she has allergies, so these are going to be just to go down. I know on a cruise ship they got plenty of them. I'm going to probably get her a couple more of these to just take out with us when we go out somewhere, like on port or something like that, because we're going to Nassau and Coco Cay on Royal Caribbean. So yeah, we are pretty much ready to go, and all this I can get in this backpack along with my tripod that I am using right now. You also want to make sure that you have your passports. Okay, I got mine and hers right here, along with your vaccination cards. This thing right here will hold 2. I will leave links to these things on Amazon, where you can get this, I know, and this, and I'm not sure if they sell this anymore. This particular one right here, this particular model, they are not making anymore because this was 3 years ago. Alright, but I will try to link to the latest one. And this case I bought off Amazon. I could leave it linked in the description as well. And it holds 2 GoPros. It holds 2 GoPro batteries, which the battery is right here from a GoPro. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next one.